Hello friends, welcome back. Today is the 12th day of the 12 days of Christmas. So let's decorate this tree. So here I am showing you some Christmas decor that I found at Hobby Lobby. The leaf one is from At Home Store. And I am going to make me a tree topper. Now I did not show this in the video, but this tree is only 6 feet, but I wrapped a box around it to make it about a couple inches taller. And so that's what I did to elevate it. And being that I have a small space, I couldn't get too large of a tree. So I hope that you get something inspirational out of this on today. This has really been an adventure, guys, doing 12 days of vlogging. And here I did add some little gold beads sticks from Walmart in there. So as you see this topper, you will see that I'm gradually adding it in as I go. I couldn't find any poinsettia to put around my tree topper, so I kind of DIY me a little bowl and put the mauve balls I bought from At Home Store, and I already had these white little Christmas flowers. So like I say, guys, as I go, you will probably see some changes. So I changed it up as I was putting this all together. Oh, sorry, guys, I left something out. Don't forget to put your lights on. It's very important before you start all your decorations that you have enough lights. I got yellow lights and white lights, and they are so pretty together. I wish I would add more white lights. And here I'm just showing you how to put the ribbon on. The colors I put together is mauve and blue, white, and silver, and some gold. Now the ribbon I chose was my Merry Christmas ribbon, and the blue velvet ribbon. I found this at Home Goods for $3.99. So just kind of wrap it, guys, as you go. And as you see, I was flowing in a design. And if you stay within the center of your bow and just fall down that line, you have to be, correct. But just keep it on both sides. Now, I was not worrying about putting it in the back because you're not going to see the back of this. So unless you can see all around your tree, then you're going to have to add ribbon all around. But it's just so easy, guys. It's very easy. And just use the leaf to bend the ribbon to hold it in. And that's it. Here, guys, I'm adding my large mauve Christmas ornament. I got these from At Home Store. And make sure that any place you see that there's an opening, because some trees are more fuller than others, and this is more of a slim tree. But make sure that you fluff out every limb on the tree so you can get, the most out of your tree, and it looks so much better. And in order to keep these balls in place, what I had to end up doing was using an ornament hook and hooking inside of the tree so it won't fall out. So it's just a process. because if you do not hook it inside and when you go to put another decoration on, it will fall off. Maybe next month I might show you how I hide these wires, because I am going to try to hide these wires. But right now I'm focusing on this tree. I hope that you enjoyed this, guys. It came out real nice. I am so grateful that God blessed me to do this. I hope that y'all are having a blessed and prosperous weekend, or whatever day this might be, the day of the week. And thank y'all so much for being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate everyone. This is just some extra leftover Christmas I didn't use in the tree topper, and I'm gonna stick it right inside of my tree, guys. And I'm telling you, it looks so pretty with those silver balls. And just showing you here my color, my ornaments. This is that navy color. This is that mauve. And some of them I put 2 and 3 together, and some I did single. This is the Dollar Tree Glam ornament. And these are the beautiful hanging ornaments I bought. I guess they're snow crystal, ice crystal ornaments, but those are from At Home store for $1.99. So guys, I'm telling you, this came out so beautiful. It came out better than I could imagine. So let me know, guys, in the comment box, what do you think of this look? Do you like it? And also, what is your colors for Christmas? So it doesn't matter what colors you use, just taking your time to decorate your tree. And remember, guys, you're going to have to fill up those holes. Take your time to do it. And I'm telling you, it took me a little while to do it, but on the end, it came out great. So I want to thank you so much, guys, for watching this. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and you're welcome to share this video. Thank y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving and happy holidays to come. From Penny, bye-bye.